Okay, so these are the settings that you need to do for dual pump connection for when you have two Maxo pumps in parallel or in series. So the first settings, as usual, as we talked in other videos, you can just go ahead with, you can do your air venting. This is where when you want to do your auto air vent on the slave pump as well, before it connects actually through the DP connection. So then they're both vented and all of that stuff is done. So now we're just going to do the settings. So for the settings, enter the settings, the menu, double pump operation. This is a single pump, it has no partner. And you will say now, okay, so the types of double pump housings, so this will be motor 1 because I want this to be the master, so all the settings are done on the master pump. So this is motor 1. You go then to external interfaces, you go to VeloNet settings. The bus termination has to be on if it's the last pump on the segment. VeloNet address 1, just fine. So the VeloNet address, so all the pumps come preset as VeloNet address 1, so definitely on the master pump you have to change that. Let's put it to 2. Okay, it will restart. So the pump will restart. Okay, you go back to settings, double pump operation, connecting double pump, and now you see the partner pump. Select the pump and it will ask you, and it will tell you here exactly what you have to do. So when connected, the other double pump partner receives the settings of this pump. And you say yes from this pump. And it will do a restart, hit continue. Okay. So now both of the pumps restarted. Take this out so you can see it. So this is my master, this is my slave. You can still, as it restarted, you can still do your venting here if you need to, and all the, select different settings, different languages and stuff like that. We're just gonna go start with factory settings. You can see this is already a slave and this is your master. So here it's highlighted, the first pump is highlighted, meaning this is the master pump. It's in main standby operation. Here, as you can see, the second pump is highlighted, which is the slave, and the settings are all blocked. You will not be able to do any settings on this pump. So all the settings come from the master pump. So if you need, for example, to have duty operation, you go to the settings, double pump operation, double pump function, and you can do either parallel or main standby operation. So if you want parallel, it will restart both pumps again, so the settings take effect. Pump cycling, this is how often you want to switch between the two pumps. So, and if you need to disconnect the double pump connection, just go here and say disconnect dual pump. This is it. This is how you set up the dual pumps Maxo.